China is no longer just a technology copycat, but a leader in future warfare innovation that major global powers must watch out for. From hypersonic missiles to autonomous drone swarms, they have created a lineup of weapons that is radically reshaping the global balance of power. In today's video, we are going to break down China's 7 deadliest military technologies that are truly shaking up global defense stability. China is now leading the future warfare revolution through autonomous drone swarms and the loyal wingman concept. Powered by artificial intelligence, this technology enables drones like the FH-97A to fly alongside manned fighter jets in total synchronization. The role of these drones is critical. They can serve as advanced sensors, reconnaissance scouts in hazardous areas, or even missile decoys to protect much more expensive lead aircraft. What is even more formidable is the swarm intelligence system. These drones are capable of communicating with each other independently to encircle targets without manual human control. If a single drone is shot down, the rest will automatically reorganize their formation instantly. This strategy creates a saturation attack that overwhelms enemy air defenses with far too many targets to stop. By relying on data speed and sheer numbers, China is now transforming the battlefield into something much faster, more automated, and deadlier. China's newest aircraft carrier, the Fujian, brings a major shift in naval warfare thanks to its electromagnetic catapult system, or EMALS. This technology replaces conventional steam catapults with high-power magnetic propulsion. With EMALS, heavy fighter jets and surveillance aircraft can launch from the flight deck carrying full fuel loads and maximum payloads. This is a massive tactical advantage because aircraft no longer need to restrict their payload when taking off. In addition, the system is much more efficient, space-saving, and features a faster recharge time compared to older systems. The inclusion of EMALS allows the Fujian to launch airborne early warning aircraft, like the KJ-600, providing the fleet with eyes to detect threats from hundreds of kilometers away. For China, this technology is not just an upgrade, but a massive leap that enables its naval forces to project combat power globally, matching the standards of the world's most advanced aircraft carriers. China has officially become the second country in the world to field 2 fifth-generation stealth fighters simultaneously, the J-20IS and the J-35A. The J-20IS is not just an ordinary twin-seat aircraft. Its second seat functions as an airborne command center designed to control a swarm of combat drones, or loyal wingmen. This is a massive leap in modern warfare tactics where human pilots collaborate directly with artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, the J-35A arrives as the newest carrier-based stealth fighter. Featuring multi-role capabilities, this aircraft serves as a key asset for China's new generation aircraft carriers to dominate naval warfare. Successfully mass-producing these 2 stealth platforms proves that China has achieved technological self-reliance and is ready to reshape the dynamics of global air power. This is no longer about copying, it's about leading the innovation of future warfare. The Type 094A nuclear-powered submarine has become the deadliest weapon in the Chinese naval fleet. Thanks to major upgrades to its reactor and hydraulic propulsion systems, this Jin-class submarine is now much quieter and virtually undetectable by enemy sonar. However, the real threat lies in its armament, the JL-3 intercontinental ballistic missile. With a massive range, the submarine no longer needs to venture out of the protected deep waters near the Chinese mainland to carry out an attack. From a concealed position, the JL-3 is capable of launching nuclear warheads at strategic targets thousands of kilometers away. The combination of stealth technology and long-range missiles gives China a highly credible nuclear counterattack capability. To the world, this is a firm message that China's nuclear deterrent is now truly elusive and unstoppable, turning the oceans into a perilous hiding place for anyone. The military world is now facing a very real threat that is nearly impossible to stop: China's DF-17 and DF-27 hypersonic missiles. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles, which follow a predictable trajectory, both of these missiles utilize hypersonic glide vehicle (HGV) technology. Once launched, they glide through the atmosphere at incredible speeds, ranging from 5 to 10 times the speed of sound. However, their primary advantage is not just speed, but the ability to maneuver extremely while in flight. These missiles can turn and abruptly change direction, making it difficult for any modern air defense system to lock onto them. The DF-17 is designed to neutralize regional assets, while the DF-27 has an extended range capable of striking strategic targets thousands of kilometers away. The presence of this technology is completely reshaping the global balance of power. With an extremely narrow reaction window, traditional defense systems are now at risk of becoming obsolete in the face of the lethal speed and agility of China's hypersonic missiles. China possesses a secret weapon designed to spy on enemies completely undetected: the WZ-8, a rocket-powered hypersonic reconnaissance drone. Unlike conventional drones, the WZ-8 is carried aloft by an H-6N strategic bomber and is only released once airborne. Once launched, the drone streaks across the sky at extreme altitudes, right at the edge of space, reaching supersonic to hypersonic speeds. This combination of speed and altitude makes the WZ-8 virtually impossible to intercept by any conventional air defense system. Its primary function is to serve as a strategic eye. The WZ-8 is capable of capturing real-time battlefield imagery data and transmitting it back before the enemy even realizes it is there. This data serves as the critical key for Chinese hypersonic missiles to lock onto targets with lethal accuracy. The WZ-8 is not merely a reconnaissance tool, but a strike coordinator that leaves opposing defenses with nowhere left to hide. That was 7 of China's deadliest military technologies that are truly shaking up global defense stability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.